Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either allow or deny access to the downloads folder on your computer. So there is a setting in the Windows privacy settings option that disables access to the downloads folder on your device from different applications. So some applications do need the file system to allow access for the downloads to download properly. So we're going to go about how to change this, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Select the settings gear icon on the left side, where if you hover over it, it should say settings. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the privacy tile. You might have to scroll down on that page to see it. And now you want to locate something on the left side that says file system right here, all the way at the bottom. So go ahead and left click on that. So it says file system access for this device is on. If it says off, you'd want to select the change button and then set it to on. And you can read a little description here where it says file system, allow access to the file system on this device. If you allow access, people using this device will be able to choose if their apps have access to all of their files, including their documents, pictures, videos, and local OneDrive files by using these settings on this page. Denying access blocks apps from accessing any person's files. So now once you've done that and we have allowed apps to access your file system with this option turned on right underneath, you can scroll down here, and then if you had apps that were applicable, they'd show up in this listing right here, and you could turn apps on or off depending on if you want to allow them permissions to your downloads folder and whatnot. So again, you'd want them, again, they'd be listed right here, right underneath choose which apps can access your file system. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.